Hey, it's me Marita with another video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please take this time to subscribe and enjoy. Now, if you remember from my question and answer video, I had a hairstyle with a bun, this twist in the front and a bun. I'm going to show you how I achieved that hairstyle. I left the little flat twist down, and I'm just going to brush all my hair up to the top of my head to create a puff, and from that puff I'll create the bun. So just sit back and relax. For this part, you have an option to use whatever you like. I just use the banana clip, but you can use like a loose headband or like a loose ponytail holder, just something to hold your hair up where you still can work with it, where it's not too tight but not too loose at the same time. So the sides of the headband didn't have the teeth, of course, so it was kind of loose, so I just kind of pinned those sides up with a bobby pin just to give it like a flatter look or like a tighter look, and then I go from there. Now I'm just pulling a section from the puff. I try to keep it close to the outside, like I'll do around the outside of the puff first, and then I'll leave the middle to do last. So I'll do all around the puff and leave a little section in the middle to do last, if you can understand what I'm saying. So I just roll it down, roll a section down, maybe an inch to an inch and a half of hair. And you can do this, big or small. You can do bigger pieces and you have a bigger and taller bun, depending on how much hair you use. But yeah, you just roll it and tuck and pin, and try to use that middle part as your last part so that you can have a little height to your bun so it won't look so flat. So that's kind of what I did. So unfortunately, my camera stopped when I didn't realize it, and I didn't realize it until I was totally done. So this is the end result. I did the same thing I did to the front all the way around, and it was able to cover the banana clip that I had, and then that little section at the top, I was able to save that to give it a little more height. And yeah, that's how I get this bun. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in another one.